guys, Mark Augustine here, and in this video we're going to talk about a couple things. We're going to talk about the fact that I got something as a gift for my birthday, because the 11th of January is my birthday, so I don't know when you're going to see this video, but happy birthday to me. And you can leave happy birthday in the comment section. And we're going to talk about Amazon FBA. So like the video, subscribe to the channel, let me know in the comment section anything I can help you with, but let's get into it. So I mentioned in a previous video that I'm getting into Amazon FBA. Now Amazon FBA is a lot different than Amazon dropshipping or dropshipping on the whole, because you have to buy products ahead of time, ship it into the Amazon warehouse, and either run pay-per-click ads or have it rank organically in Amazon and get the items sold out. Now why would you do this opposed to dropshipping? I personally have been doing dropshipping a long time, and when you have a certain level of cash flow and when you have different goals, sometimes you have the time to diversify. So I am getting into Amazon FBA as a diversification. Now I have experience with the Amazon platform, I have experience doing product research, I've done a lot of videos for you guys on that, but as I'm doing my first brand, I am choosing the route of finding someone to assist me in that process, because I'm going to be investing $1,000 in purchasing the first round of products, and because I don't have experience in that, I looked at Eman Los Angeles from the other YouTube channel to give me a heads up or walk me through the process. Now, I did a video with Eman Los Angeles. He sold over $1 million in a year with his own brand. I'll put a link to that description. And he has decided, he's come up with a course that walks you through the full process, and he's given me that course for my birthday. So the course covers how to start a number of different things: product research, sourcing, talking about analysis, paralysis. It's a full-length course on Amazon FBA. Now, the good thing with my personal situation is I have access to both Eman Los Angeles and his course. So he gave me his course. We're going to do a follow-up video where we walk through how I find the products to sell, what product to choose, what profit margin I'm looking for, and goals and so on. And I'm going to be investing $1,000 in that. So thank you in the product. So thank you, Eman Los Angeles, for looking out and giving me access to that course. And I'm really excited to get into this Amazon FBA because it's a little different than, it's a lot different than dropshipping. And I've done dropshipping for a long time, but one thing I've missed out on is building an asset for the future. And that is something that I'm excited to do with Amazon FBA. And I know a lot of you guys watching this may not have the money to invest and so on, but if you have a couple $1,000 to invest, it's not a guarantee, it's business, but you can follow my lead. I'm following Eman Los Angeles' lead, and I'm following Brett's lead, because those are guys that have done it before and been successful. So I'm reducing my risk by looking at him as a mentor, as a coach, and going through his training and getting everything done. But anyway guys, let me know if you too want to get into Amazon FBA. Let me know if you have been in Amazon FBA. Let me know if you've made money, not made money, and so on. Like the video, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section again how I can help you. Peace.